Minna no Nihongo N4 Lesson 41 Part 2 Ichiban Saru Monkey Dobutsu ende Saru o Mimashita. We saw monkeys at the zoo. Niban Esa feed
Audio
bait
Jungle.
Neko ni esa o yarimashita. I feed the cat. Sanban Omocha toys Tomodachi ni omocha o agemashita. I gave toys to my children. Yonban Ehon picture book Tanjobi ni kodomo o ehon o agemashita. I gifted my child a picture book. Goban e hagaki picture postcard Tomodachi ni e hagaki o moraimashita. My friend sent me a picture postcard. Rokuban Kutsushita socks. Nylon Kutsushita o kaimashita. I bought nylon socks. Nanaban te bukuro gloves. Kyo wa samui kara te bukuro o shite ikimasu. Today it's cold, so I put on gloves when I leave. Hachiban Yochien kindergarten. Watashi no kodomo wa ima shouchien ni suite imasu. My kid is in the kindergarten. Nanaban danbo indoor heating. Kono heya ni danbo ga suite imasu ka? Does this room have indoor heating? Juban
Audio Jungle.
Reibo air conditioning. Reibo o sukawa nai de denki o setsuyaku shite imasu. I am saving electricity by cutting down on the usage of air conditioner. Juichiban ondo temperature. Kyo no ondo wa takai desu ne. The temperature is quite high today. Junivan Kanrenin janitor caretaker. Kanrenin ni gazu gai sha no denwa bango o kikimasu. I asked the janitor for the
Audio Jungle.
gas company's number. Grammar point 2 Giving and receiving of action. Itadakimasu, kudasaimasu, yarimasu are also used for expressing the giving and receiving of actions. Ichiban verb te form itadakimasu, rei ichi, watashi wa kacho ni tegami no machigai o naoshite itadakimashita. The section manager corrected the mistakes in my letter for me. Niban verb te form kudasaimasu. Bucho-san ga watashi ni ocha o oshiete kudasaimashita. The department manager's wife taught me how to perform the tea ceremony. Sanban Bucho ga watashi o ekimade okutte kudasaimashita. The department manager took me to the station. Sanban verb te form yarimasu. Rei watashi wa musuko ni kami hikoki o sukutte yarimashita agemashita. I made a paper plane for my son. Rei go watashi wa inu o sanpo ni surete itte yarimashita. I took my dog for a walk.